Picture this. Your next home caregiver isn't a person, it's a humanoid robot. That's not science fiction anymore. Let's explore how humanoid caregivers are shaping the future of home assistants and what that could mean for you. First, what's the current landscape? Right now, robots like Tesla's Optimus, Figure 01, and Sanctuary AI's Phoenix are moving from labs into real-world pilot programs. In Japan, humanoid robots already assist in elder care facilities, helping with lifting, mobility, and even offering companionship. But in most homes, robots are still limited think Roombas or smart speakers, not full-service helpers. So, what's changing? Over the past 2 years, advances in AI and robotics have accelerated. Companies like Boston Dynamics and Agility Robotics are developing robots that can walk, pick up objects, and respond to voice commands. AI models like OpenAI's GPT-4o and Google's Gemini are making conversations with robots more natural and responsive. This means robots are starting to handle tasks like folding laundry, fetching medication, or detecting if someone has fallen. Let's look at core capabilities. Today's humanoid caregivers are built to mimic human movement, recognize faces, and interpret emotions. They can lift up to 25 kilograms, navigate cluttered spaces, and learn routines over time. Some, like Figure 01, are being trained for kitchen work, while others focus on mobility or social interaction. What does this mean at home? For families caring for elderly or disabled loved ones, humanoid robots could offer round-the-clock support, reduce caregiver burnout, and fill gaps where human help is scarce. They can remind patients to take medication, monitor vital signs, and provide companionship addressing both physical and emotional needs. But there are important ethical and safety concerns. Privacy is a major issue. These robots use cameras and microphones, raising questions about data security. There's also the risk of over-reliance or malfunctions during critical moments. And while robots can offer companionship, they can't replace genuine human connection. Now, let's talk costs and accessibility. Most advanced humanoid robots today cost between $20,000 and $100,000, making them inaccessible for most households. But as technology improves and production scales up, prices are expected to fall, much like smartphones and TVs did over time. So, what's the timeline? Experts predict that by 2030, basic humanoid caregivers could be common in wealthier homes, with broader adoption as costs drop and capabilities improve. Watch for regulatory approvals, insurance coverage, and breakthroughs in battery life and AI safety. In summary, humanoid caregivers are on the horizon, promising a new era of home assistance. The pace of innovation is rapid, but the real challenge will be balancing technology with safety, ethics, and the irreplaceable human touch.